Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and if you're considering the Google Pixel Buds and also the Sony WF-XB700s, well, you'll want to check out this video. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're going to do a comparison of both of these products.
And go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to. I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize.
Now in this video, we're going to take a look at several of the features of the Pixel Buds and also compare them against the WF-XB700s from Sony. We're going to take a call quality test, EBPMAN style. We're also going to do an audio test as well as take a look at some of the other features. Let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, as we consider the specs for both these products, there are some significant differences. So as we look at the Google Pixel Buds, you're looking at 5 hours of total use, 24 hours if you have the case, and then in 10 minutes, you'll get 2 hours of additional use. When we look at the Sonys are going to give you 9 hours in one charge, which sounds great. Unfortunately, you only get an additional 9 hours of the case. Also, the 10-minute charge is only going to get you 60 minutes. So, again, the Google Pixel Buds have better battery life. Now, from an independent usage, the Sony's really fall behind here. You're talking about independent use only on the Google Pixel Buds, which, in my opinion, makes them much more superior. Now, neither of these buds have ANC, or active noise canceling. Neither of these have transparency mode, and both of them have a great IP rating of 4. Now, as we take a closer look at the cases themselves, you'll see that there's a huge difference here. Look at the difference in size. So, obviously, the Sonys are much larger than the Pixel. The Pixels are sleek, compact. The Pixels also support wireless charging using Qi charging. These don't. You do have a USB-C port in each of them. You also then have the ability to keep your earbuds magnetically locked in place. The Pixel Buds do the same thing, but they also have an LED as soon as you open it up, indicating your charging rate, and have a more satisfying click than I would say than these guys right here. I would say if we were to compare the two, even though there's a small price difference, I would say that the Sony's case feels a little bit cheaper. The actual case for the Pixel feels more premium. Now, there's a huge difference also in the earbuds themselves. So we're going to take one of each out so you can take a look at what they look like. And you can see here what the big difference is. And it's the size. Look at how large these are from the Sonys. Massive in size. And when we put these on, you'll see that they'll be the same. Now, from a design perspective, I would say, or how they're implemented, you still have an in-ear canal type implementation. You do have similar gel pieces, but just the size is just massive here. And then also you have a physical button, which this one only has a tap. So let me show you what these look like. I'm going to put this right here. I'll put this right here. So you can see how big of a difference these are. So this is pretty big, right? So you have these big things, almost like corks coming out of your ear. And these are pretty slim and nice profile. Now, both of these are going to stay in your ear. So if you shake, they're not going to come out. They're going to stay in place. And despite the size of this one, the weight is just spot on where it doesn't feel painful, you know, when using them. And if you're going on a run and stuff like that, I haven't had any issues with these actually falling out. The same thing is true for this one, but in my preference, I prefer the thin profile, the smaller profile that you get from the Pixel Buds. Now we're going to do a call quality test of the Sony WF-XB700s in a quiet environment. Let's take a look at our decibel readings. So you're looking at anywhere from 19 to 22 decibels in noise. Let's go ahead and switch.
Now this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Sony WF-XB700s in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Next, we're going to go into a noisy environment.
All right, so now we're doing a call quality test of the Sony XB700s in a noisy environment. You can see that the decibel readings have gone up quite a bit. We're looking at anywhere from 40 all the way up to 79 decibels in noise. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Sonys. We're going to stay quiet for a second, see how much noise they're canceling, and then we'll do the vocal test.
Alright, so this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Sony's WF-XB700s in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Let me know what you thought about the call quality of the WF-XB700s from Sony in a noisy environment.
And next, we're going to do a call quality test of the Pixel Buds in a quiet environment. As we take a look at our decibel readings, anywhere from 19 to 22 decibels. Let's go ahead and switch.
Now this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Google Pixel Buds in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Next, we're going to go into a noisy environment.
Now next, we're doing a call quality test of the Pixel Buds in a noisy environment. As you can see here, our decibel readings are anywhere from 40 all the way up to 79 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to get quiet, switch, stay quiet, and see how much of the noise is being canceled, and then we'll do the audio test. Let's go ahead and do the switch.
Now this is what the call quality will sound like when making a phone call on the Pixel Buds in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is what the call quality is like on the Pixel Buds in a noisy environment. Let me know what you thought about this call quality in the comment area below.
Now guys, for the next test, for the audio test, make sure that you're wearing headphones or earbuds so you can hear the experience that you'll have with each one of these earbuds. So let's get right to it.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Closer to midnight, I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat.
So guys, that wraps up our review and comparison of the Sony WF-XB700s compared to the Pixel Buds. My pick is with the Pixel Buds. Let me know what you thought about this in the comment area below.